adventure I could remember 2 years ago. We went to Iceland.
Yeah.
Basically, the purpose was for a wedding, their uncle's wedding. And we took a self-drive tour along the coast. In Iceland, only the capital, very small area, there are more people and more cars.
Yeah.
But when we were driving on the road, very few cars. Like for some area, we were driving for an hour, and there was no any car at all, both directions. We could only see sheep.
Cows.
Yeah, sheep and cows. What
And they
happened
were
on the
just-
sheep?
They were just gazing here and we honked and then they all ran away.
Yeah, because we honk. Well, actually, there was no any honky. Then we were just noting we honk beep.
And then they just ran away.
Yeah.
Suddenly they jumped over and then they ran away. Yeah, it's a very big, vast area, and I just feel like Iceland is like, oh, is it in the moon, or is it a few human beings staying? It's kind of that feeling. A kind of. Were you scared?
Like,
No.
it just felt
Not really.
weird.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
normally in London it's very busy. In Iceland it's just deserted.
Yeah,
Like,
it's very,
Yeah.
very special. But after that, we really miss it. We think, oh, it's really a place, everybody
Visit,
should
yeah.
go to
Yeah.
experience, have a look, because it's very unique.
Yeah.
Yeah.